Welcome back to Samoyed Studios, where we create adorable crafts with a little help from my fluffy Samoyed Elsa. Today we're going to be making a super cute and easy dog bandana that will be perfect for Valentine's Day. If you want your pup to look as lovely as Elsa, please keep watching. This was the pattern I used for Elsa's bandana. However, you can change the size of the shape and the length of the ties based on the size of your pup. To begin, I created a slip knot and then I chained 4. Then I put a single chain in on the second chain from the hook, and then I added 2 more single chains, so I had 3 stitches total. For the second row, you're going to chain 1 and then you're going to increase in the first stitch by adding 2 single crochets. Then you'll single crochet in the next stitch, and then you'll increase by adding 2 single crochets in the last stitch. So 1 and 2. That will give you 5 stitches total. For the next row, you're going to chain 1 and you're going to add a single crochet to each stitch, so you'll have 5 single crochets total. For the next row, you're going to chain 1. You'll increase in that first stitch by adding 2 single crochets. Then you'll single crochet down until you reach the last stitch, and you'll increase in the last stitch by adding 2 single crochets. For the next row, you're going to chain 1 again, and then you're just going to single crochet down to 7 stitches. You will alternate between the row where you increase by adding 2 single crochets to the first stitch, single crocheting down, and then adding an increase on the last stitch, to the row where you just chain 1 and then single crochet down the row. You'll alternate until you reach your desired size of the shape of your bandana. When I reached 29 stitches, I liked the size, so I stopped there. For the ties, I chained 50 for Elsa, but you can change the amount of chains based on how long or short you want the ties to be. I ended up adding 2 rows of single crochets to thicken the ties. However, you can adjust the amount of rows based on how thick you want your ties to be. This step is optional, but I wanted to add a white accent, so I looped white yarn through a stitch and then I just slip stitched down until I reached end to end. When I was done, I made sure to clean the excess string. To make the heart decor, you're going to start by creating a magic ring. Then you're going to chain 2. 1, 2. Afterwards, you're going to add 3 double crochets into the magic ring. 3. Then you're going to add 3 half double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Afterwards, you're going to add 1 double crochet, then 3 half double crochets, 2, 3, and then 3 double crochets. After you do that, you're going to chain 2, and then you're going to slip stitch into the magic ring. After you do that, you're going to pull tight, and then you're going to fasten off. Leave enough yarn so you could sew it onto the bandana. Hooray, you finished! When you are done, you could have a photo shoot with your furry friend. Thank you for watching Samoyed Studios. I hope you have a fantastic Valentine's Day.